This one is for you, Marcus Rashford, or anybody else out there that's a prime athlete. Chicken satay stir fry. You are gonna need chicken, curry powder, a crumbly chicken stock cube, 1 carrot, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 packet of egg noodles, and most importantly for a satay, peanut butter.
Just been eating her peanut butter.
You're gonna need a big frying pan, a sieve.
You look like Shrek.
I look like Shrek. A bowl, 2 more bowls, wooden spoon, knife, tongs, plate, peeler. First thing you gotta do, cut your chicken thighs into thin strips. And then into that, 1 teaspoon curry powder. Then veg oil, mix it all together. Gonna leave that chicken to marinate whilst I wash the board, my knife and my hands. Next thing, 3 of these noodle nests, stick them in the bowl. The kettle is boiled. You just pour the water all over the noodles, stick a plate on the top, leave them to one side. Next step, 1 onion. Gonna top and tail it, and then cut it in half. Now the onion is actually telling you where to slice it. Got the lines there. You haven't got to do it as quick as that. Next, peel the carrot. Top and tail it as well. Cut it in half. Now we're gonna cut this into strips. The next, 2 cloves of garlic. Palm of your hand, just giving it a little crush like that, which means you can then peel really quite easily. You can chop it quite roughly. Right then, chicken, noodles, sliced veg, chopped garlic. You can press pause if you like. Catch up. Next bit, peanut butter.
I was going to stick my tongue out there.
Super tasty. And then onto that, crumbly stock cube. And then about 4 tablespoons of boiling water. So you can end up then with a paste that looks like that. It's a big debate, isn't it? Crunchy or smooth peanut butter? Which one wins? Right, we're gonna fry our chicken. That went in the pan then, and I wanted it to go sss, and it didn't. It just went in and just kind of like sat down. See, that's the noise. That's the sound of cooking. That's what I wanted. Not that pathetic first piece. That was like lazy chicken. This is a dish for athletes. Nothing lazy about it. Right, don't stir it. Leave it alone. You need it to start to crisp up, okay? Stop stirring your chicken. The moment you've got that lovely bits of brown crispiness, break it up. Is yours looking like that? The next thing that goes in, garlic. The onions will go in, the carrots. This is where we add our satay peanut flavour. Now that paste is quite thick, so grab yourself a mug, the Marcus Rashford mug, get a splash of your noodle water and pour it in. The noodles just going to drain in the sink. That is it, they're cooked. Add them to the pan and stir it all together. Amazing the day before a match.
Lovely.
That's what an athlete does. Eat something like that in 3.5 seconds. That's the sort of Olympics that I'd be in. 4 times Olympic gold medalist. You can share your full-time meal on the hashtag #fulltimemeals and follow our page on Instagram.